Welcome to your 2-minute breathing practice to help cool down pain and inflammation. Sit in a comfortable position on a couch or chair or against your bed. You can also have a pillow or cushion to support your back. Rest your hands wherever comfortable and close your eyes if that feels appealing. Start with natural and easeful breath in and out through your nose. Keep your body relaxed, shoulders soft. And try to breathe deep down into your belly without forcing or straining your body, but allowing your body to relax in such a way that your breath naturally streams down. And keep your awareness on your breaths. Now take your right hand up and use your right thumb to gently close your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril and exhale through your left nostril. In a way, you are controlling the airflow in and out only through your left nostril, which actually helps cool the body down and calm down the nervous system. Continue on your own. Just a light pressure of your right thumb against your right nostril. If your arm starts to get tired, you can use your left hand to support your right elbow. And after about 10 rounds, you can relax your body, return to your natural breaths, and observe any effects in this short breathing practice. That's it for our 2-minute breathing practice to help cool down inflammation and any pain. You can continue on the rest of your day or continue to rest.